Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Jira automation rules and execution status checks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Jira automation rules and their execution status, begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you have set up the automation rules. On the left sidebar, look for the project settings option and click on it. Scroll down until you find the automation section and select it. In the automation panel, you will see a list of all the rules created for this project. Click on the rule you wish to verify to view its details. Here, you can see the rule's name, description, and the trigger events associated with it. To check the execution status, locate the Execution tab on the Rule Detail page. Click on the Execution tab to access a history of past executions for that rule. You will see a list of all recent runs, along with their statuses and timestamps. For more details on any specific execution, click on the entry in the list. This will open a detailed view, showing the actions taken during that execution. You can check for any errors or warnings that might have occurred during the execution. If you need to troubleshoot, refer to the information provided in this detailed view. To verify if the rule is enabled, look for the status indicator at the top of the rule's detail page. Ensure that the status is set to enabled for the rule to run as expected. To make any changes to the rule, click on the Edit button in the top right corner. After making your changes, remember to save them before exiting. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and monitor your Jira automation rules and their execution statuses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.